How to transfer USDT from Binance to another wallet. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can transfer USDT from Binance to another wallet. For this, you want to open the Binance app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now you want to tap on the portfolio icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then on the Assets tab, you want to search for USDT. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on that. Now you want to tap on the withdraw option at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then you will have to enter some details over here. The first thing you want to do is paste the address. You can head over to the receiving wallet and copy the wallet address to your clipboard and simply paste it over here. After that is done, next thing you want to do is select your preferred network. After you select the network, you want to enter the withdraw amount. After you've entered that, you want to tap on the withdraw button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you want to review all the details such as wallet address, network, and withdrawal amount. After that, you will have to complete Binance security verification. Once submitted, Binance will now process your withdrawal. The time depends on the network you chose. Now you want to check the recipient wallet to confirm that USDT has been received. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.